name's Fiona and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. Today's unboxing comes to us from the Little Box of Crochet. It is very much jam-packed. The lid is almost popping off, so let's see what we've got in this box. Well, something smells good, so we must have a candle or something like that in here. So the pink tissue paper, your Little Box of Crochet sticker. Let's get this open. Oh, I can't tell you how nice this box smells. Get my words out. So this is the Christmas Thanksgiving kind box. So we have this beautiful postcard. Again, I always use these in my flat lays. Yes, you can use it as a postcard, you can use it as decoration in your craft room, whatever it is that you want to use that for. You have the matching sketchbook. So this is one of the larger sketchbooks they include. It's all plain paper, so you can either jot down ideas, you can sketch them out, you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. So this box smells so nice. I know I've said that a few times now, but it really does. So this is Tunisian crochet cowl, which looks like I will enjoy making. I've never made anything in Tunisian crochet. Was it Tunisian? I'm not. Yeah. So I look forward to giving that a go. So again, you're welcome from Amanda. You have a look at the contents of the box. You have your conversion chart, your very clearly written out pattern with photo guides so that you don't get lost. How to measure, to swatch, keep your gauge. How to make your cakes out of your yarn if you want to work with it that way. A picture of your finished product, which looks very pretty, and it's in my favourite colour palette with the pinks and purples. And then with the word from the designer, which for this is Natalie Thomas. And then some previous creators' makes from previous boxes. So let's have a look. Oh, this is jam-packed. So we have our bespoke skeet knit Tunisian crochet hook. So let's have a look at this. So here we have the skeet knit Tunisian crochet hook. This is a 6mm crochet hook. So this is a J. Again, it's very professionally made. There's no splinters, there's no burrs, there's no nicks. It's very smooth. You've not got to worry about catching your yarn and snagging it. So this is a Tunisian crochet hook, so that is why you have this bit on the end. It's kind of like cabled knitting needles. So you have your cable at the end and your stopper. You can get long Tunisian crochet hooks that are about 30 centimeters long. Some of them are a bit longer, but they're normally made of metal, and they're after a while get very heavy in your hand to work with. So with Tunisian crochet, it is very much easier to use this style of Tunisian crochet hook where you've got the cable attached to the end. It's easier and it's much fairer on your wrist. Your wrist does start to ache when you're using the metal one. It can get to be a bit much, so this is a better option for you to use. Then we have this ring binder in here, so you could put all your pattern booklets in here from previous boxes. You can get little what other things, there's this like little round discs that you could sticker things that you can put on the ends here and here. That way it allows you to clip it into the ring binder, so you can keep all your pattern booklets together in one place. And here we are here. So I think this must be what's making the box smell really nice. So this is Vintage Apple Scented Candle. This is from, does it say who makes these? No. So let's see if I can get this lid open without that does it. Smells, I wish there was smell-o-vision because this smells really nice. So you do have your metal tin, so you don't have to worry about your wax melting all over your table. And this is a perfect scent for like this time of year where you're in your autumnal time, where you're leading up to Thanksgiving if you're in the States or Canada. Well, actually, I think Canada's already had theirs, but leading up to like Thanksgiving, Christmas, that kind of thing, it's the perfect scent for this time of the year. We have our darning needle with the felted ball on the end to stop you from pricking yourself on the end of the needle. And again, I love how somehow they customise the colour of the felted ball to the shade range of the yarn you're going to get in that month's box. I know it's a small thing, but I love it. So in this box we have got Rowan Alpaca Classic. Oh, this is like a cloud. It's so soft. Let's see what it says. So, Rowan Alpaca Classic, made with superfine alpaca and cotton. So it's an alpaca blend. It is 57% alpaca and 43% cotton. Does it have a shade name? It doesn't appear to have a shade name. They seem to go by numbers. So this is shade 110113. Let's have a look. Any more instructions here? So it is 120 meters or 131 yards. It recommends a 3.5 to 4 millimeter crochet hook. Wash by hand, lay flat to dry. So, and looking at it, I'd say that is a very lightweight 3, maybe even a fingering weight. So, your nice mustard shade. And then we have this blush pink shade. This is shade number 00128. So it's a lovely blush pink. And then the third colour we have is, let's get the label. So this is Rowan Alpaca Soft DK, made with extra fine, superfine merino wool and baby alpaca. So this is definitely a 3 weight, whereas I think the Alpaca Classic is fingering. This is definitely a number 3 weight. It is very soft. It really do lend itself well to baby items. So this, it recommends a 4 millimeter crochet hook. Again, it is wash by hand and lay flat to dry. It's 125 meters, approximately 137 yards. Did I say the shade number? It's 70% virgin wool and 30% alpaca, and the shade number is 00218. So, and then we have the custom stitch markers for this one. So we have some very pretty ones. I like these. So these are from Crochet. You can find them on Instagram as crochet.uk or Facebook as Crochet UK Stitch Markers, and they're on Etsy as Crochet UK. When these stitch markers we've got, if I can get them, let's turn them over. So we have a ball of gold yarn, a ball of rose gold, and the number, something to be 6 or a 9. And then we've got one of the kind of light bulb shaped ones. So you've got 4 stitch markers there. I love this box. It smells amazing. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you've liked this video, then please do give this video a like. If you would like to see more content like this and you're not already subscribed, then please do click on the subscribe button down below. If you are already subscribed, then please make sure you have your notifications bell turned on. That way you will get a notification of when I upload another video. So with that said, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see all of you next time. Bye!